Senieer will meet you at CPHI, the global pharmaceutical industry event in Shanghai. From June 24th to 26th, Booth N1T31 will take you to unlock the future of smart pharmaceuticals. 5 core production lines help pharmaceutical companies to produce efficiently and in compliance with regulations. From granulation, bottling, blister, to powder and liquid filling, Senieer provides a one-stop solution for EU GMP standards. This is the map of our booth. If you are interested in us, you can contact us.